You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this delicious chicken dish, and we'll be looking at how to say more food names that too many people get wrong. Stay tuned. There are two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, more in the UK, it's generally said as chicken satay, with a stress on the first syllable of satay, chicken satay, while in the US, in American English, it's more often said as chicken satay, chicken satay. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.